Hi, hi guys, hi again, and welcome to my part 3. Well, today's topic that I want to talk about the remix culture, which is a participatory culture, fandom, and transmedia. And lately, participatory culture in social media has crazily increased due to the new thing that being creatively created by the content creator, developer, and more. So, what is the participatory culture? Participatory culture is an individual that was a passive consumer before and now they are actively engaged in the social media. It's like they always scroll TikTok, doom scrolling, consume without even engage, and now they start to comment, like, share, and even create content about the thing that triggered their interest. Even a gamer that play a game is a participatory culture. So here let me explain on a bit more detail on how a gaming also an a participatory culture. You must always think that they just play a game, right? So how do they become one of the participatory culture? And let me tell you an example. So there's a lot of things that can make you become one. So let's use Valorant this time. So recently, there's a lot of complaint about the bug which Cypher camera can use a gun. It's like the camera one is a utility and they put there and then throw the gun and then the camera catch the gun. So it's like how's that logic? And second is where a bug which two people needed to make it work. So in this case, when you found the bug, what did you do? You report the bug right to the company and even write a complaint about the bug to the developer. And that is a participatory culture where you become an active player, not just ignoring it. And also, I told you that how I know the bug. Even I played the game, I didn't know the bug. I actually found out about it in the social media platform called TikTok. That is also a part of the culture where you participate to create a content, where the creator that report about the bug, about the Valorant itself. Maybe they share a new bundle that going to release soon, a new bug that being discovered. And not only that, Valorant fandom also demonstrate a participatory culture, which through fan art, cosplay, lore theory, video about a certain agent in the Valorant, and a video montage that is always came out in my TikTok for your page or FYP. And this show that how a fandom crazily active in the social media and not passively consuming it. I remember that they also create a meme for Valorant. It's so funny, actually. I found it interesting on how they make the game from a mental health breaker to a comedy game. It's actually hurt my brain a lot. For a fan art, official Valorant already like provide a place for people to put their fan art there. So it's the same as a Genshin Impact where they also provide a website where the fandom can put their fan art inside there. And I just realized how interesting this topic is. Think about it. Many people participating in some game. Uh ah, there's a transmedia. So I want to talk about transmedia now. And you all know that what transmedia is. So from what I have learned transmedia is something that being shared across different social media platform. It's like expand more but in the different way. For example, I will use a Valorant again. So like we play as a so for the game one we play as an agent inside the game. And then Valorant has released an unanimated cinematic in YouTube, such as the name of the cinematic yeah, the animated cinematic is such as duality, retake, and the recent one is Unchained. This animated cinematic contain agent background, narrative context, agent relationship, and more. I love the animated or lore of Valorant. Like imagine, like the Valorant update based on the lore that being released in YouTube. How does transmedia is a part? My bad. How does transmedia is a participatory culture? So they use the cinematic lore to share a theory to other. Like if the lore seem unsolved, they might like share it with the other and like discuss with them about what happened next. What do you think this agent and this agent relationship is? And they also create a video to explain about a certain agent, like the agent background and more. Even the fan art, memes, and gameplay edit is one of the transmedia. I just realized it. I think so. Ah, that is why these three connected to each other, and that is probably why Henry Jenkins introduced us. These three have connected to each other. And that's all for today, I think. Thank you guys, and wait for my next episode, which is 4. It's probably about new topic again. Yeah, okay, that's all. Thank you.